How to find tagline on Riot. Are you on Riot Mobile and wondering how to find your Riot tagline? Your Riot tagline is an important details, especially when you want friends to add you or join your games. So to find it, first of all, open the Riot app on your device. Once you're inside the home page logged in, go ahead and click the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you do that, you'll come across your profile section where you'll be able to see your Riot tagline at the top of the screen. Underneath your profile picture, you will see your tagline with numbers and letters. Your tagline is case sensitive and important when friends want to add you. Simply go ahead and write down your tagline somewhere safe. If you want people to add you, then you'll need to share this tagline with your friends. Simply go ahead and show them this tagline and you'll be able to add each other using the tagline on Riot. When someone asks for your Riot ID, always include the whole tagline. Example, in my case, it's Rio and there are some numbers and letters. Start from the Rio. If you want to share your Riot ID or your tagline, go ahead and press and hold it. And then in the pop-up, click on the copy button. Now you can go ahead and share it with anyone you want them to add you on Riot. So there you have it. That's how you find your Riot ID or your tagline on Riot. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.